What's up, guys? It's ChiLongQua here. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, we're live, you guys. We're gonna do a dev study stream. We're gonna install fucking Kubuntu over here, okay? We're gonna fuck with Kubuntu today. And we're just gonna, we're just gonna fuck around with the Kubuntu virtual machine. Don't expect much, but let's install this thing. Let's see what we got here with Kubuntu, you guys. And yeah, this is on a virtual machine. Also, I'm not sure how to full screen it. I forgot there's like some special thing you have to do to be able to full screen. Or full screen, rather. Hold on, let me get my chat set up. But yeah, no Dota, you guys. No Dota for a while. For a long fucking time, honestly. I've just come to the conclusion that I can't play Dota um, until the systems are, the system that I want is there, so. And I don't foresee that happening anytime soon. I just don't agree with the way Dota, is, you know. Han is coming out soon. I don't have high hopes for Han, to be honest. Anyway, okay, we got the chat set up, we got some music. Let me know how the music is, guys. Yeah, Dota's not Dota. But yeah, we're fucking with Kubuntu today, guys, so. I'm gonna try to become a dev, you guys. I'm gonna try to build apps and shit. And, we're gonna do another dev stream. I haven't done much since the last dev stream, to be honest. Okay, what region are we in? This is for time zone, location. I don't think this really matters. We just want the time zone. How about Denver? That's like right in the middle, right? That should be good. Okay, this looks fine. Web browser utilities. Oh, what if we do a minimal? We'll download our own fucking shit, man. Right? We'll download our own shit. Only the desktop environment. That is quite... maybe we will do a normal. Third-party packages. Krita. You know, I do kind of want to fuck with Krita, actually. Virtual Machine Manager. No, we don't want to have any VMs inside of our VM. Download and install updates following installation. Nah, this is Kubuntu. Okay? Kubuntu is basically Ubuntu, but with a different desktop environment. So in Linux, you have different desktop environments. And Ubuntu uses the desktop environment known as GNOME. And Kubuntu is basically Ubuntu with a different desktop environment, with KDE or some shit. I've never used it before, so I want to fuck with it. Partitions. Sure. Just erase it. We don't need a partition or this. What is your name? Your full name? Yeah, I don't think so, man. I don't like how it's asking for my full name. We'll call ourselves the user. We'll name the computer. We'll have a very simple password. I don't like how it's asking for my name here. Because I don't know what this... That's a question for ChatGPT. I don't know what this is gonna, like, affect in the system. So, We'll just call ourselves Pooper for now. Because we poop. Let's see. Location. Yeah, that looks fine. Let's install this bitch. We gave our virtual machine 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's just the display name for the account. Right on, right on. I don't like when shit asks for my full name. It's like, it makes me think that they're gonna like try to harvest my data, you know, even though this is like all offline on a virtual machine. Accounts can have a login slash home name, and full name is the display name. Got it, got it. Well, I'd like to just not have a display name, but apparently it wouldn't let me do that, so. But whatever, that's fine. Because we named the computer computer, we named the user user. And I guess the display name is just the display name for the user, I guess. I don't know. That's a question for ChatGPT, honestly. One thing I want to do, you guys, is I want to start using like voice to text for everything. Because if I'm going to be constantly hounding AI, I'm tired of typing. I just want to speak. I just want to speak and have it translated into text. Because I'm sick of using a keyboard, honestly. So what the fuck is going on? We're just doing a dev stream, man. ChiLongQua's trying to become the best fucking dev this world's ever fucking seen. And so I'm starting a virtual machine up so that we could do everything on. So that my main computer is just running the OBS, and I'm just have the virtual machine as a scene in OBS. That way I can fuck around with a virtual machine. Like if I have to do something, like if I have to shut down the system, for example, then I won't have to shut down my main computer, which is what OBS is running on. Local whisper to text. I think I was using something like that. I was using I was using one of those. Local whisper. Is that the one that has like a blue UI kind of? I was using one of those, but I kind of like stopped. But I don't know how it's gonna work inside of a virtual machine though, because I don't know how like my mic's audio. I don't know how like the virtual machine is supposed to get a hold of my mic's audio. I don't know how that works. I don't know too much about virtual machines. I could imagine that being like kind of like a complicated thing to try to get working too, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, we're just doing a dev stream over here. I'm a complete fucking noob. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm a complete noob, but I'm still definitely like a novice, you know? Like, I know a little bit here and there, but I've never really actually built anything or done anything outside of learning the basics. But I'm trying to fucking build something. But just the thing is, every time I do stuff like this, guys, it all like comes down to like the workflow. It's like, how can I be a programmer or an app developer or a software developer or anything like that without having mastery over my underlying system? All right. And that's why I always am fucking around with these virtual machines, because it's like, it's gotta be done inside of Linux, man. It just has to be. I'm doing good, Camel Air 1989. Where were you traveling, man? Where were you? Gotta know how to use the tools. Exactly. But the thing is, like, I'm a visionary, okay? So, like, when I'm doing something and I get slowed down, I envision some, like, instantaneous method of completing whatever task that I was doing. And so I get bogged down in that. Bosnia Herzegovinian. I've never even heard of that, man. I've heard of Bosnia. I've never heard of. Is it Herzegovina? Herzegovina? That's a crazy word, man. for English speakers. But yeah, I've never even heard of that place. Envision BSJ, think what would you do? Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Low key, that's a good fucking idea. Okay, I think we have to install this like special thing that is gonna let me full screen the virtual machine. Guys, what resolution do you guys use for your monitors, by the way? I was meaning to ask that. Because right now I'm using my 1080p monitor as my main monitor, but I only did that for gaming. I forgot to switch over my bigger monitor to be my main monitor. All done. Kubuntu has been installed. Alright, let's test that. Kubuntu. Because I'm streaming at 1080p right now. 27-inch 1440 is the best. That's what they say, man, but for gaming, it wasn't working well for me. It was too big, but for doing shit like this, I'd rather have it. I need to switch to my bigger monitor. I bought this cheap Dell monitor. I mean, that's what it is. It's a 27-inch 1440p. But it's too fucking dim, man. It's not bright enough. Please remove installation media. So, like, I don't know, the monitor kind of sucks. I'm never gonna buy another Dell monitor ever again, though. That's for damn sure. It's just not bright enough. Come on, Kubuntu, let's go. Okay, Pooper's here. Kind of takes a while to start up. Oh yeah, that's what we're using, KDE Plasma. So that's the desktop, because that's what I wanted to try out. I wanted to try out different desktop environments. Because I've only ever really mainly used the normal Ubuntu desktop. This is kind of slow though, what's going on? I hope we don't have any problems. Okay. Simple by default, sure. Whatever you say, man. Vaults. Hey, it looks pretty nice though, actually. Manage software. Yeah, right. I like how they have this off by default, though. Respect. Friendly computing. Okay. Get involved. Sure thing, buddy. Okay. Okay, let's see. Can we full screen now? No, we can't. Okay, hold on. We need to... Machine... Hold on, let's shut down the machine. Actually, wait. Maybe we don't need to shut it down. How do we... We have to do guest editions. That's right. Oh, wait. Here we go. Insert get... Wait, hold on. Sure, mountain open. It's one of these. Autorun.sh, run as root.sh. I don't know which one I'm supposed to do. I don't know how to run. Running console? Sure, let's do it. Running console. Must be run with admin privileges. Open as administrator. Is that gonna work? Wait, what was that? What did that do? Restore. I never remember how to like, let's see. This is a question for ChatGTP, honestly. Is it something like this? / is a directory. How do we do it, you guys? How do we run something? Or get the ChatGTP. You got it, but no space. Oh, okay. But is that the right one? Why is it called auto run? Is that it? Oh. Okay, we're going, guys. We're going. Whoa. What just happened, though? Oh, there we go. I guess it's done. There we go. Now we're full screen. Dolphin? What is dolphin? Is that the foul thing? This must be dolphin. Alright. Applicant. Okay, so this is kind of like Windows, actually. This looks way more like Windows than fucking normal Ubuntu. Let's try to go dark mode. Oh, I see. Okay, you can't actually click these. I want everything dark. Preview theme. Cursors. Oh, nice. Wow, this is crazy. There we go. Oh, fuck yeah. Wait, how come it's not yellow on the desktop, though? The fuck is a splash screen? Where's my desktop background? Global theme, but where's my desktop background? Wallpaper, that's what it's called. Just want something dark. I don't care what it is as long as it's dark. I guess the Milky Way is pretty good. Okay, so is this must be like our first bug that we've encountered. Wait, hold on. Display settings. What's our fucking refresh rate? Yeah, that's why. How do we change that? Oh, what? We can't change it? No way. What? No way. That's a crock of shit. Hold on here. Let's just verify. Yep. We're supposed to be able to do 144 hertz. Refresh rate. I wonder if it's a virtual box thing. Well, let's bust open the web browser. Oh man, that's fucking slow as shit, dude. No way. No way, dude. That was slow as shit, man. This game is so shit. Cruel Efficiency and Philip Johnson, thank you for the subs, bro. Bros. Dude, that's way too slow, man. Dude, this is so fucking bloated, man. Firefox is such a turd. NVIDIA settings. Oh, that could be it. Oh, what? VirtualBox is limited to a max of 60 hertz. Wow, that's crazy. Well, I'm not trying to go too hard on altering that. Wow, that's crazy, guys. I didn't know that. Well, that's just going to be a limitation of using a virtual machine, I guess. I wonder if a different virtual machine solution would work, because we're using VirtualBox. But yeah, the refresh rate, man, going back to 60 hertz. Dude, Firefox is fucking dog water. You say it's because it's installed as a snap? How do we check that? Snap list. Yeah, I remember now. I remember this snap shit is laggy as fuck. Yeah, we don't want to be fucking with snap. Let's see. Okay, let's get brave. I'm done with typing my password, guys. Like, low-key. I'm so sick of typing fucking passwords. Hopefully none of this, like, doxes me or anything. Like, I never want to be asked for my password for anything, ever. Did I really need all this shit? What did this fucking do anyway? We're just gonna hope ChatGPT has our back on this one. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Wait, do we have Brave now? Yeah, we do. This is different. They updated this shit. Don't ever question ChatGPT. It's not that I'm questioning it, it's just that it, like, I don't know. It just doesn't have enough context. Like, this command it gave me, like, it's having me install curl. Like, as if I'm not, as if it's not installed. It's just shit like that that's kind of annoying. It's like, I can't just, I want to be able to reliably just blindly copy paste whatever ChatGPT gives me without accidentally installing some crap that I never wanted. But I mean, for simple shit, I think it's fine. Let's see, shield setting, shield status. They changed this, because on my fucking actual computer, I go to shields, and it's like a whole fucking different thing. So this is like some new version settings. Whoops. Settings. Shields. Oh, there we go. Okay. Brave has built-in ad blocker, guys. That's why you fuck with the Brave browser. There we go, we got ChatGPT. ChatGPT is online, boys. What, really? We can't move this? What is this? System settings. We can't move this around? Are you kidding me? Let's get rid of that. Okay, interesting. It opened us up back to here. Actually, we don't need this guest editions anymore. Is that still like... It's probably this. Eject. There we go. Dolphin. Lots of jobs getting replaced by AI. Yeah. I mean, it's true, man. It's the future. That's why I need you guys to fucking donate, like, and subscribe. Okay, so dolphin. What I don't like about okay, we can click at least. Okay. I want this to like always display it. Show full path. There we go. I want it to actually show like the path like that though, not like this. I want it to look like this at all times. But that's just little shit, you know? That's just shit we have to just accept. Because do we really want to sit here worrying about how our dolphin looks? In fact, no, I don't think we do. Home, desktop, documents, let's see, home, user. This is our home, right? Yeah, that's our home. What does this button do? Oh, interesting. It doesn't work on as much as I would like it to, though. Let's see. What about this? Compact view mode. Details view mode. Where's like... Why is home like the deepest that I could go? There we go. I want something like that so I can see more shit. Okay. Which one would you guys use? Dude, that is so slow to update though. Last modified. Let's make it smaller because like realistically we're not going to be full screening this. Zoom. Oh, there we go. I like that. Just make it as small as we possibly can. Let's look at all this shit. Notifications. Get Plasma browser integration. No, we don't fucking give a fuck about that, guys. We don't give a fuck about that. Like, for real, why would we give a fuck about that shit? Hold on, this is way too fucking big. This is way too fucking big. Let's see. Updates. Clipboard contents. I guess. I mean, do we really want the input method? Exit. Volume. Okay, so the microphone does pop up. Hold on, I like this button. What do we got here? Network. Oh, I don't want to DDoS myself. Okay, we got our networks there. What else we got? Power management. That's it? Alright, guys. What we need is everything, actually. Hold on, what is this? System settings. I don't know if we need a dedicated button for that, like, honestly. Because we can just go here, right? Like, I don't know if we're ever going to be, like, accessing that all that much. Because, like, the default shit should be fine, right? For our purposes. Am I familiar with Alt plus space for the K runner? No, I'm not. Alt plus space. Is that this? K runner settings. See what ChatGPT says. It's an essential part of Kubuntu. What's the difference between doing that? So like, let's say Firefox. And then doing this. And searching it up here. It can search all your files, okay. Can execute commands. Okay, so it's like a terminal as well. I don't like the hotkey though, Alt space. That is very awkward for me. I gotta change that. Simple mathematical expressions. Okay. Web search. Searching poo. And then it goes over here. What the fuck? Custom commands. Run on ASDJ, AK, etc., etc. That's a good tip, man. Because Kubuntu sure as hell didn't tell me about that. When I just installed this thing, they didn't tell me anything about the K runner. Activate when pressing any key on the desktop. What? Any key? Oh. I can just start firing off. Okay, that's interesting. Remember past searches. Last search in history. So I could just start, okay, I like that then, because then I could just start going straight at it. That's decent. I don't know how often I'm going to be like just straight up on the desktop though. Guys, you know what I want to mess with is one of those window managers. Look stuff, type Katie. Actually, wait, what? How do I forgot what version I installed. Because that's probably relevant. Let's see what they has to say about that. It's a fairly recent version. Yeah, it's a virtual machine. I don't know. I don't know about console though. You know what I don't like about this terminal? Actually, I guess it's okay. Don't like that at all. We need one of those window managers, you guys. That's what we fucking need. KDE is your window manager. Well, let's fact check that, okay? Let's fact check that. Fucking ChatGTP, man. I want hotkeys and shit. Like, I want to be able to set a hotkey that says, "Hey, put this up here." You know. I'm tired of using the desktop like a fucking Microsoft Windows fucking spoon-fed user, you know? I want to become like one of those fucking devs that just presses a fucking hotkey to do everything. I don't want to rely on the GUI as much, you know, like instead of having to click the here and then dragging it up here and then doing this to get it in like the corner like that. Like it should just be a hotkey, man. You know what I mean? I should just have a fucking hotkey for shit like that. What would the pros use? What would the pros use? I doubt they would just use default Kubuntu. A power user. Are you planning on coding? Yeah, we're definitely going to be doing some coding, a lot of coding. That's going to be a major part of it. But we're going to be like vibe coding, you know, like we're going to have to like we're going to have to be using AI heavily. Okay, Tmux in the terminal. Yeah, let's remember to get this. Gen 2. Actually, this is the perfect time for a YouTube video. I love virtual machines, you guys. I love having just like a clean, fresh fucking computer, man. It's great. So KDE window managers. How to tile windows. KDE 6.4.
KDE 6 point brought in this wonderful ability.
Wait, hold on. What version are we using though? 5.27? Are we fucking out of date? KDE 6.4? I'm pretty sure I went for like the stable release, you know. I didn't get like the latest. What did we get? $24.04. Wait, but why doesn't it say Kubuntu anywhere here? It's a flavor. That seems ridiculous. That's retarded. Why would I verify I'm on Kubuntu just because I'm using Plasma? That's fucking retarded. Come on, ChatGTP. And he's all fucking laughing at me and shit, man. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Come on. Here we go. Is that what we want? Not that it matters, but that's the type of shit that just annoys me. It's like, if you want to explicitly confirm you're using Kubuntu, just check the Plasma version. Well, what if I'm on something else that's running this? You know, like that's retarded. That's a major letdown by ChatGPT right there. Like that does not give me high confidence at all. That's like saying, yeah, just check what type of fucking plumbing you have by seeing if water comes out of the faucet or something, you know. That's probably the shittiest analogy ever, but fast fetch. fuck is all this, man? Okay, hold on here. I'm not trying to build it from source. Are you kidding me? Fuck it. I guess we could use Snap for that. I mean, it's not a big deal. Snap fast fetch not found. Are you kidding me? Come on, ChatGTP. Whoops. Come on, ChatGTP. Stop letting me down like this. Are you kidding me? Oh, I already have it. No, I don't have it. Whoops. This little thing is like tripping me out here. Neo fetch. Screen fetch. It's a bit more old school. Oh, did I type? Yeah, I guess I don't have fast fetch. Oh wait, from what the fuck is this? Well, let's try it. Will NeoFetch work? There we go. Exactly. That's the type of shit that I'm looking for. It even tells me my resolution, my desktop environment, is that the WM, is that window manager? Oh no, why is... Hold on, did I lose my overclocking? I mean, I don't even know how that would fucking work. No, we still have our overclock going. Okay, so now we know a little bit about how, if we ever need to get our system, some basic system information, we'll just use NeoFetch. Okay.
No.
This is so laggy. Holy shit.
And
watching videos in a virtual machine.
Comment from this person who right up like completed the video. Went off and told me to do it. So let's have fun with window tile. Alright, so I have a monitor, which is going to look a lot like my first monitor. So we're going to turn off my main and magical. It's almost identical.
Is it just this video, or is it just watching videos in general? Because it sounds fucked up.
There are a great many things I talk about that I am in absolutely nowhere near.
Yeah, it's all fucked up, guys. Hold shift when you have a window. Like that? How about the corner, though? Alright, we're gonna have to try Firefox, and is this a Brave problem? I think it's just
Now, you can get 4 plus per line $9.
Tired of having the over
86.4 brought in
Oh,
this
it sounds like
wonderful
shit on
ability
everything.
for
Why is
Windows.
that? Is it because YouTube is just a bloated piece of shit, and unless you have your browser using fucking your graphics card, everything is trash? Is that why?
So let's go here, shift and tile. We're gonna delete these, and then we're gonna split left and right, and then we're gonna split top to bottom and top to bottom. And that's it. The next thing that we're gonna do, and I need to switch over to my Windows keyboard instead of my Mac keyboard to do this, is we're gonna go ahead and open up Discord. All right, nothing horrible? No, nothing horrible. Sweet, I don't have to blur anything. Join our Discord. It's down in the link below. I don't ever have anything I have to blur, so I don't know why. Okay, so
Like, trying to diagnose why these videos sounds like shit is gonna be impossible, man. It's gonna be impossible trying to diagnose that. H-top. Actually, does that already come? Nope. What is SWP? I thought I gave it 8 gigs, not 7.76. Virtual memory for RAM. Let's see what happens when I put in a YouTube video.
KDE Plasma is my desktop environment of choice. It's the one I've been using for a while, and so I'm super excited for Plasma 6.5.
Dude, videos are actually unwatchable though, is the
which
issue.
released today or has already released depending on when you watch this and when I get around to editing and publishing it. It is filled to the brim with improvements, big
Oh, it's too laggy. It's actually way too shite, guys. Wait, where did Brave go? I don't think it's the operating system, I think it's just the virtual machine. I mean, we could try searching. Kubuntu YouTube video audio problems. I don't even know how we would begin to find a solution to this problem. Let me check my virtual machine settings really quick. Oh, with the video memory, that's why. Hold on here. Let's stop the machine for a second. I think I need to increase the fucking the video memory. I shut down right away, motherfucker. Power off. Settings. There we go. The video memory was at fucking 16 fucking megabytes. I forgot that we had to do that. We just cranked it up to 128. That should be better. I bet that fixes it. In fact, I guarantee that fixes it. That's probably why it felt so laggy. Because we had no fucking video memory. Fuck yeah, we just boosted our VRAM. We just 10x'd that bitch. What is this? What the fuck is going on here? What, failed? Something just failed? I hope this fixes it, guys. I have a feeling it will. Oh yeah. That is much better. Still kind of slow though. Sure, set it as default. No, it's still fucked up, man.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Linux
It's
and
still
Open Source
fucked up,
News Show.
guys.
And this week we finally have some solid news for free and open source.
Do you guys hear that,
smartphones,
or is it
because
just me?
Graphene OS is not going to be Google Pixel exclusive anymore. They're working with another.
Are you guys able to hear how fucked
bring
up it
that
sounds?
nice
The
ROM
cracking,
to
yeah.
other people, and we also have more details.
What could
about
that
the
be, you guys? What could that be? Let me go back into my settings, just make sure. I mean, I gave it the max VRAM that we possibly could. The thing is, like, it's going to be so hard to try to diagnose that because we don't know if it's a Kubuntu problem, we don't know if it's a virtual machine problem. We don't, like, it's not even worth trying to fucking fuck with that shit, man. We'll give it a try though. How to fix audio crackling issues on Ubuntu.
Hello everyone, this is me Gabriel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fix the audio crackling issue that's present in Ubuntu version 20.04 and 21.10. I'm currently in version 21.10, and I've noticed that this happens a lot in Chromium-based applications like Google Chrome itself, Discord, and Spotify, the desktop version. And this was bothering me a little bit because it doesn't crackle that much, but it's like a really tiny crackling that was happening, and I was searching out all the web and I just couldn't find any solution. But today I found a solution I'm going to share with you. What I found was that actually this is a common issue, which is when an external sound card is connected to your computer. So basically this only happens if you use a...
Oh wow, thank you for making me wait a fucking minute until you told me that, bud.
card. In my case, I have a Logitech G422 headset,
Fucking
which is...
shit stain. Thanks for making me wait a whole fucking minute to get to the point where you told me, oh, this is only if you have an external graphics or external audio card. Like, come on, man. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to. It's just like, it's way too, like, broad of a problem to, like, try to search for a solution that's gonna fit our circumstances. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, there's too many possible things that could be the problem that it's like it's not worth diagnosing it. It could take forever I mean, we'll try a little bit. The thing is, it's on Firefox and Brave. So, that's the issue. But we haven't tried Firefox since we increased our VRAM, so let's confirm Firefox. Maybe it's a Kubuntu issue. We need something else that can give us audio inside of Kubuntu, other than a YouTube video. uBlock Origin? You think it's uBlock Origin that's doing it? There's an audio test. Whoops, how do I... There's an audio test, huh?
Front, left. Front, right.
That sounds fine. This guy says something about Pipwire too. Hold on here. Yeah, maybe I need like drivers and shit, right? First of all, should I do an update? Cause I never like downloaded drivers or anything. So first, let's fucking update everything, just in case. The fuck? Whoops. We're gonna get to the bottom of this, you guys. How we're getting rate limited by fucking Ubuntu, apparently, man. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Maybe instead of a virtual machine, I should just set up my laptop on the same network and then just like connect to my laptop and then I could still stream on my Windows computer and then something like that. That way I'd be using my laptop, which would be way better than a virtual machine. Maybe that's what I need to do. Wow, this is taking a long time. But I wonder if it's because, like, you know, maybe a simple fucking update would fix it, you know? You never know. Like, we may as well do an update. But why is it taking so long? Yeah, I'll try the pipwire thing. As far as this solution that you shared, I'm not gonna try the browser solutions because it's fucked up in both Firefox and Brave. Oh wait, enable 3D acceleration? How do we do that? I didn't know that we could do that. Because if we could double the VRAM, that would be helpful. We're almost done with the update. What am I gonna try to vibe code? Everything, man. Everything. I mean, I'm not only gonna vibe code, I'm still gonna like try to learn everything as well. I'm not just gonna be like trying to generate entire fucking systems and shit. But I'm gonna heavily use AI to like learn and to increase the speed at which I can do that. I'm not just gonna like try to have my brain off. No, I don't have a Discord right now. Okay. That aspect is done. We did a generic update. Let me try this now. Hold on. Let's turn off the virtual machine for a second. Display. Oh, I didn't have 3D acceleration turned on, and now I can bump it up even more. Okay, let's try this now. We turned on 3D acceleration, and we doubled our video memory again. So from when we started the stream and we first installed Kubuntu and we're fucking with it, we have about 20 times the VRAM that we did at that time. So let's see, this might actually be it, guys. Cruel efficiency, you may have had the juicer answer that we needed. Yeah, we need that 3D acceleration. We need our graphics card to be fucking doing work here. And this is all like a part of like learning how to be a dev, you guys. You gotta have mastery over the system. Now we know. If we're gonna be fucking with virtual machines, we wanna crank up our fucking video memory as much as humanly possible. Hopefully this works, guys. And then we still have the pip wire fallback solution. I don't know, it kind of takes a while to start up. I think it's just a virtual machine, man. It's because it just feels very laggy. But I mean, I gave it 8 gigabytes of RAM. That should be enough. And we're barely even using like a fourth of that.
If you're using Linux Mint or have just installed it on your computer, this video is for you.
Well,
Today, we'll...
that didn't do fucking anything, guys. God damn it.
Esports have taken competitive gaming to the next level.
Yeah, fuck off. I guess we have to do the fucking pip wire. Yeah, it's a virtual machine. The guest editions, we did that. We installed the guest editions. It's just like, why does it feel so slow and laggy? Settings, system. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It has 6 CPUs. Apparently VirtualBox caps you at 60 Hertz. Actually, well, maybe that we have 3D acceleration turned on. Maybe that actually changed it. Maybe, who knows? Whoops. We can try it. Maybe that changed it. No. Yeah, we're update the display settings on the VM. I'm not sure what you mean. I did that though. We turned on 3D acceleration, we increased our video memory to 256 megabytes. We've got 6 cores, 8 megabytes of RAM. Like, I feel like it should be like running way smoother than it is right now. I wonder if that's just the fucking virtual machine technology. But I mean, if we can't even watch like a fucking YouTube video. VirtualBox doesn't support GPU pass-through as well. Is that why it's laggy even with 3D acceleration? I think the solution is to make my laptop my dev machine. And then I would just have to like find a way to connect to the laptop. That would probably be better than a virtual machine. Team viewer? No way. But actually, it doesn't need to be a remote. Windows Remote Desktop. Set up VNC. No machine. I might have to do this, guys. Rust desk? Because, like, the virtual machine is just too fucking slow.
It's a software application which allows users to remotely access and control their desktop environment from another computer. It supports multiple operating systems, enabling users to connect to a desktop.
Like, it's just
and
way
device
too slow,
regardless of
man.
operating system. Today, we are going to connect NVIDIA Jetson's running headless to a Windows machine. This is one of the easiest ways to run a remote desktop from a Jetson. Hello, it's Jim from JetsonX.com. The first step is to install No Machine on the Jetson. No Machine has a knowledge-based page to help us. It's called Tips for Using No Machine on NVIDIA Jetson Handheld. You can use these instructions to work with any NVIDIA Jetson. I will show it working with a Jetson or an
Yeah, you know what? We're gonna have to switch over. We're gonna kill the VM here, guys. It's too laggy. It's not suitable for what I want to do. But that's fine, because I'm actually more inspired now. Because if I can remote in, not remote, because I mean it wouldn't really, I guess it still technically would be remote. But if I could just use my laptop, if I could use my laptop from my Windows PC in the same way that I'm fucking with a virtual machine, and I could stream it, then that would be better. Because my laptop is decently powerful. It would be much better than running a virtual machine that's laggy as fuck. I know about WSL, but the thing is, I want like a full like GUI, like a full environment, because I'm streaming from my main PC, and then like, for example, the virtual machine, I have that as a scene in my OBS so that you guys can see what's going on. I don't only want a terminal, I want the entire experience of a computer, you know. Just install Linux on the PC and boot from that and install OBS on it. That's what I don't want. I want my OBS computer to be separate than the machine that I'm working on. So that's like important. It's not only about Windows. Even if I had Linux on my main PC, I would still want it to be that way. Because OBS is like, I don't want to like accidentally like leak anything, Like if I'm on my personal PC, I don't want to like accidentally leak things like my personal email or my fucking credit card or something like that, Like I just want to keep it separate, Like if I'm gonna be, or my IP address, I don't want to get fucking DDoSed because I was tinkering around with something in my computer that showed my IP address or something like that, Shit like that. But mainly because I want, like, the way I envision it in my head is like, I should have a computer that only manages OBS and like the visuals of what I'm doing. and that would be like a whole machine dedicated just to that. I want to separate everything out. It's not only about not like doxing my personal shit, like my credit card information or something, but it's all about separating everything. You know, separation of concerns. Alright, ASD, thanks for the help, man. I'll check out Rust's desk. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go study this off stream. That's what I'm gonna be trying to do. I'm gonna find a way to access my laptop through my Windows computers and then stream it or put it as a scene, and similar to the way I'm doing it as a virtual machine. But instead of fucking with a virtual machine, it'll just be my laptop, and that'll be better because my laptop will be way more powerful than a virtual machine, and then that will free up a lot of resources on my main PC. And yeah, I'm more inspired now than I was, but I have to research all that shit off stream, you guys, because that could take like a while to set that up. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. Thanks for tuning into the short little study dev stream. That's the goal right now. Is ChiLongQua is going to be over here figuring out how can I just remote into my laptop and work on my laptop from my main PC so that I could stream it from my main PC. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next one. ChiLongQua signing out.